In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen on Microsoft Teams using your iPhone. Screen sharing is an incredibly useful tool, whether you're in a meeting, teaching a class, or collaborating on a project. With your iPhone, you can easily share your screen with others, making your communication seamless and interactive. Let's dive in and walk through each step together to ensure you can share your screen with ease and confidence. First off, let's start by opening the Microsoft Teams app on your iPhone. If you don't have it installed yet, make sure to download it from the App Store and log in with your credentials. Once you're on the home screen of Microsoft Teams, look for the meeting invite link that you want to join. This is often sent to you via email, calendar, or directly within the Teams app. Tap on the meeting invite link, which will guide you to the screen where you can join the meeting. After tapping on the invite, you'll see a button that says Join Now. Go ahead and tap that to enter the meeting space. Before proceeding, take a moment to check your audio and video settings. Ensure your microphone is on if you're planning to speak and your camera is enabled if you want to appear on video. It's common to see a preview of your video before you join, so you can make any final adjustments to your appearance or background. Once you're in the meeting, enable your video if it is not on already by locating the video icon. It's a nice touch to have your video on so others can feel more connected during the conversation. Remember, being visible on camera can help convey your enthusiasm and engagement, which might be crucial for important discussions. Now, to initiate screen sharing, find the icon with 3 dots. This is typically located in the middle or bottom corner of your screen, sometimes labeled as More. Tapping on this will open a menu with additional options. In this menu, look for and select the Share option. After selecting Share, you'll see a series of options on what you can share, like your screen, a specific app, or a file. For our purpose, we will focus on sharing the screen. Once you confirm to share your screen, you'll see a prompt that asks for your permission to start broadcasting your screen. Approve this action, and Viola, your screen is now shared with the participants in the meeting. You might see a red bar at the top or a small broadcast icon indicating your screen is being shared. And there you have it. Your screen is now successfully shared with everyone in the meeting. When you're done sharing, simply go back to the Teams app and tap the Stop Sharing button to end the broadcast. With this skill, you're well equipped to enhance your collaboration and presentations in Microsoft Teams using your iPhone. Happy sharing!